She like my eyeshadow.
You what?
She, the last thing I remember is she said, I love your eyeshadow, but you're not getting sleepy on.
You ready to go home?
Oh, gosh.
Okay. I love you.
Um,
Alright.
her.
Alright.
Oh, well.
You gotta put those in.
How big is my lip?
Huh?
How big is my lip?
It's not big, but you gotta keep those. Here, open. You gotta bite on those. Don't bite my finger. You gotta keep biting on those. Don't spit those out.
That's like cool.
Bite.
I can't feel my teeth.
Well, quit talking. Bite down on those. You can't spit those out.
Okay.